Hello, friends. Welcome back. In today's project, we'll be doing this women's series. So this is the jelly print papers I'll be using. So so I have posted the jelly print video previously, so you can check it out. And I'm going to put the link in the description box below. So I'm going to tear and place those jelly print papers. I'm going to see how I want it, and then I'm going to use the glue and stick all those pieces. This is like a part of my women series. So I'm going to add like different patterns on this and different colors mixed. So now I'm going to use the glue, that is gel medium. So now I'm going to add this acrylic paint and I'm going to blend it in between. Then I'm going to use neocolor crayons and blend with that also. Now I'm going to dry this. Then I'm going to add some white acrylic paint and blend it. You can use gesso if you don't have white paint. Then I'm going to make sure it is dry, and then I'm going to use this number stamp, and I'm going to add this in this project. And I'm not going to add too many stamps in this because it already has a texture kind of thing in the background. So there is no need to add too many stamps. Then I'm going to darken it a little bit with the pen. It's like a Posca pen. Then I'm going to use some different texture stamp. Then I'm using this neopastel crayon, and I'm going to add a little bit of color in this. Then I'm adding another neo pastel color in this, and do some mark making. Then I'm going to dry it. Then I'm going to add the focal point. No, I'm going to splatter first and then add the focal point. I'm using the same white paint and splattering on the top. Then I'm going to dry that, and then add the focal point. So this finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Uh, I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.